Starting Lords of Dogtown Camaro. CNC wood. So here's the Lords of Dogtown Camaro. In the Lords of Dogtown, it had rally rims. So since then, I've done a disc brake conversion and had to change to something for the fist disc brakes. I do now have rally rims. Do the rally rims go back on the Lords of Dogtown Camaro? Here it is in the movie. It's only shot tiny little rolling movie. And here's a signed picture. Thanks for the use of your Camaro, Heath Ledger, which makes the car a little special. But as you can see, it had rally rims.